Welcome to the Holy Moly. Today we're doing another restaurant review, and we're gonna have dinner at Via Napoli for some killer pizza. I may have mentioned previously, but I've lost a bunch of weight, 90 pounds exactly, and I sure didn't do that by eating pizza. But we're at Disney, and generally speaking, please don't hate me for saying this, but pizza at Disney is not great. However, this is supposed to be exceptionally excellent pizza. So let's give it a go. When you get a reservation at a Disney restaurant, it's not like a reservation at probably your average restaurant in town. You really are going on a basis of how many people move through the restaurant and what they expect mathematically through statistical data when a table should be available. So when you're dining at Disney, don't get upset if you arrive on time and you still have to wait. If you arrive a little bit early, it might be a little bit better. Yeah, that's just how it works here. So you'll have a table sitting there with a reserve sign on it for you. It will be, you kind of get into a queue, just like with a ride. You consider your dining reservation as your fast pass for eating. And that's kind of how it works here. That's not what you said. Oh my God, it's so loud in here. I hope you can hear me saying this. So, here we are. That's extremely loud. That's our first impression. Getting a twitch from the loudness. Well, hopefully the food makes up for it. Maybe? Wow, I wonder if it's the design of the restaurant.
Oh, this is going to be quick.
Wood-burning ovens, and they're each named after a volcano. We got Etna, Vesuvio, and Stromboli. They're flying pizzas out of here like crazy. This place is loud. Thank you. Thank you. This is so much better. Well, it's better in every way possible. We're outside. Food always tastes better when you eat it outside. And look at the view. You can actually hear music. Okay. Let's start over. Highly recommend requesting an outside seat at the Via Napoli. Like how I say that? Alright. Yeah, I don't think we could have handled...
It seemed to die down a few minutes thereafter, but still given the opportunity.
Yeah.
Move outside on such a perfect day.
This is 100 times better. So we're going to try these, I don't know how to say that, but the fried risotto balls. And we're going to do a half of the picante and half pepperoni. Charmaine's jealous of my birthday button. I assume it's jealousy, it's not just being annoyed by the fact that my birthday isn't until the 19th and today is the 13th and I've been wearing it since the 7th. Just being said, hey, it's your birthday.
When you use your magic band, it comes up with your birthday.
Yeah, my magic band is linked, and just because, I think it's because this whole vacation covers the period of time when I'm here and it's my birthday. They really should expand it, because they should be wishing us a happy anniversary as well, but I don't think that's in the data they collect. I think birthdays are my birthday every day. This trip. I'm in trouble again.
I didn't hear a word you said.
Here is our appetizer of fried risotto balls. There's an Italian name, and I would just butcher it anyway, so I'm not even going to try. They look delicious. It's very simple. I would call this sort of a comfort food. Very good. Where's my pizza? This is just Char's. Oh my god. Okay, well, looks amazing. Wow. Well, we didn't get the big one. Yeah, seriously, this isn't the biggest one. Oh my god. I'm going in.
Enjoy your pizza, buon appetito.
Grazie. That's the best pizza I've ever had at Disney. No question about that. That's really good. I'm gonna try some of this pepperoni. Look at that. It is actually really, really good. I like a spicy pizza. Charmaine's guarding her pepperoni. She was asking if this was pepperoni, but I'm about to start eating it too. When I first saw this pizza, I was like, oh my god, we're not going to be able to eat all this. We're eating it all.
That was good. It was simple, but it was good. Sitting outside, everything. It was just very nice.
I don't know if that was the best pizza I've ever had, but it's right up there. Well, that was fabulous, fantastic, highly recommend it. One of the best pizzas we've ever had here at Via Napoli in the Italian Pavilion at Epcot. Fantastic. I want to throw in one more thing. We have a Tables in Wonderland card, and I think it's already paid for itself for the dining we've had in the 1 week we've been here, and we're actually here for longer than that. So yeah, that's our review today. Thank you for watching the Holy Moly. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button. See you next time. Bye-bye.